Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including Fizz's plans and services, are available in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using Fizz Internet. In this in-depth review, we'll explore Fizz Internet, examining its features, benefits, and ideal user profile. Fizz is a budget-conscious internet provider in Canada, distinguishing itself with its no-contract, pay-as-you-go system. This approach empowers users seeking complete control over their internet service, offering a tailored experience in terms of plans and pricing. Fizz allows customers to select their desired speed and data allowance, providing the flexibility to modify or cancel their plans at any time without incurring penalties. This adaptability makes Fizz a particularly attractive option for individuals and families needing an internet solution that adjusts to their evolving needs. A key advantage of Fizz is its competitive pricing, especially for those who don't require top-tier speeds. Fizz's internet plans offer exceptional value, particularly for light to moderate internet users whose primary online activities include browsing, standard definition streaming, and social media engagement. Fizz delivers reliable speeds, and its integrated Wi-Fi and mobile service is a bonus for users who value consistent connectivity both at home and on the go. Fizz also simplifies account and service management through its user-friendly mobile app. This app empowers users to control their plan, monitor data consumption, and adjust their service in real time. This app-centric management approach is ideal for tech-savvy individuals who appreciate having direct control over their internet service. However, it's important to note that Fizz's coverage and high-speed options aren't as extensive as those offered by larger providers. Therefore, Fizz may not be the optimal choice for heavy data users or those who require consistently high speeds for activities like streaming high-definition content. For users seeking an affordable and flexible internet solution, Fizz presents a compelling option. In short, Fizz is an excellent choice for budget-minded users who prioritize flexibility, affordability, and ease of use. If you don't require the fastest speeds available and prefer to manage your service on your own terms, Fizz could be the ideal fit for your internet needs. Check out the description below for more details and links. Thanks for watching.